spooky club. I got a black heart, it's a new start. Welcome to the spooky club. Take that! Join the spooky club.
Well, hello again, ghouls and goblins, and welcome back to the channel. In today's spooky video, I'm going to do a good old-fashioned unboxing and review. What am I unboxing, you may ask yourself? Well, if you saw last night's late night video, you saw that Five Below was already dropping some Halloween merchandise. So I ended up buying a light-up witch silhouette piece that I had no idea even existed. I was thinking it was from last year, but I'm not sure. But nonetheless, they had it out on the floor last night at Five Below, as well as the stackable jack-o'-lanterns and the posable 3-foot skeleton. But now this piece here, specifically, is what I'm going to be unboxing today from Five Below. See there, she's almost 4 feet tall, and definitely reminds me of stuff that you would see at like Pottery Barn or at home. I don't know if she's going to look as good as she does on the box, but of course, there's only one way to find out when we unbox this, and that of course is to join me if you dare. Alright, so not only am I going to unbox the witch from Five Below, but we're also going to take a more in-depth look at the gumball machine from Michael's this year, as well as the haunted house from Cracker Barrel. Because these are a few pieces that a lot of people are looking to find this year, and as luck would have it, I just literally stumbled across these on my mini hunts. The haunted house was an easy find. The witch last night at Five Below was an easy find. The gumball machine, a little bit of an exception to that. It took me about 3 or 4 trips to Michael's to finally find that on store shelves, but nonetheless, I finally found it, and I think all 3 of these items are going to be sellouts for spooky season 2026. So in today's video, we're going to talk about those 3, as well as a few other pickups that I've made for spooky season 2026. So, first up, let's get into unboxing the Five Below light up witch. Now, I believe she's battery operated. So it says right here, 3.8 feet tall when at full height. Light up with timers, so I assume it's got a pole in there that you can adjust the height of the witch. I love how they've got like the creepy style house behind her back there. Alright, they can't really mess up this, I don't think. It's simple enough. It's like a silhouette witch. So, without further ado, box is simple enough. Light up witch.
We'll return after these messages.
It's Halloween. There'll be tricks
Igor.
and treats.
Igor.
Because now, when you stock up on Pepsi and Doritos, you'll find coupons for savings on Hershey's candies. It's the perfect recipe for a
Wicked.
And it says, what's included? 1 light up witch, 1 instruction manual. That's all you need, right? But of course, she does run on batteries, and AA batteries is what the witch runs on. Use Energizer and she may keep going and going and going for years to come.
Get the battery. Oh, great. Still going. Nothing outlasts the Energizer battery. It keeps going and going.
Once you unbox her, it's more or less like a Christmas tree. You've got the pole, you've got the stand, and then this right here, all mangled up, is the witch. Let's see if we can help her out. Okay, so here's real life $7 witch. Here is the box. Okay. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it worth $7 or not? Could probably easily run some orange lights or just regular clear lights up underneath there and definitely make her a bit brighter. Maybe I'll try that in a later video. But all in all, I guess $7, it's okay. I readjusted the lights a little bit. Looks a little bit better. And I did run a few clear Christmas lights up underneath there to make her a little bit brighter, to enhance it. So if you want to enhance it, definitely run some Christmas tree lights up underneath her little cloak dress there, whatever you want to call it. Looks a little bit better with a little bit of DIY additions. And of course, the next piece that I was going to touch base on is the Cracker Barrel Haunted House blow mold from 2026. This one is sold out almost everywhere. Got it the first Cracker Barrel stop I went to of 2026, and it's definitely a great piece. I think I like it better than last year's because I'm loving the moon with the witch flying and the bats in the background. I think I love it better than last year's, in all honesty. I really do.
Happy Halloween from Channel 13.
And of course, the biggest pickup from yesterday was the Vintage Spirits gumball machine from Michaels. $139.99 is the asking price, but if you get the 30% off coupon, or in some instances, the 40% off coupon, you can grab this piece for like around 80 bucks if you have Michaels rewards on top of it. Now, I mentioned in last night's video, I opted just for putting in the orange and black pom-poms. And yes, it works just the same, because you can get your pom-pom out of the bottom down there. Super cool piece if you're into the vintage retro line of Halloween. I highly recommend this, but stack your coupons for it from Michaels so you don't pay over $100 for it. And there is like Cracker Barrel rewards also if you sign up for that program, or if you're lucky enough to get the haunted house, you can potentially get that for around $100 instead of $130 plus tax. And then this piece, of course, came from At Home, the traditional looking scratch cat on top of the jack-o'-lantern. Blow molds at Home this year definitely have a traditional vintage vibe to them, and that seems to be the general theme for most stores this year. And that blow mold there is going for less than $40. I don't think At Home has any coupons, unfortunately, but it is a dual bulb plug-in blow mold, and you can see it compared to the Cracker Barrel ones. It's definitely a decent size blow mold. So these are some of the pickups from Halloween season 2026 so far, and they're some of the most sought after pieces, and I've been lucky enough to find them in store. Alright guys, so there you have it, some of my pickups for 2026, and I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and the review of the Five Below, which I think all in all, if you add your own string lights to it, it's worth it for $7. I mean, $7 in today's world is literally really not a lot of money, so it's an okay piece for a little bit of change, so to speak. So I give it about 10 out of 13 BlackHearts for the witch, and you can see she's right there behind me. Of course, my favorite pickup so far for 2026 has got to be the vintage gumball machine. I absolutely love it. Of course, I love the Cracker Barrel Haunted House blow mold just as well as I love the vintage scratch cat there from At Home. So lots of cool pieces out there to be found, and I've been fortunate enough to find some of these hard to find pieces right in store. So keep doing the legwork and you may find it either in store or online. And I'll be covering all things Halloween, Summerween, and everything in between here, including retro and holiday related on Derek Blackheart's Spooky Club. So if you're new here and you like this type of content, how about slashing that subscribe button and joining the club, and also turning on that notification bell so you don't miss a moment of the spooky retro fun that I have here on the channel. And until next time, I'll see you on the dark side.
This is KOVR, Channel 13, Stockton, Sacramento, signing off another day of TV programming. KOVR is owned and operated by KOVR TV Incorporated. Good night from the staff and management of KOVR, Stockton, Sacramento.